Hello and welcome to Compact. My name is Chris Mobbs, Export Manager for Compact. I'm standing here in our showroom, in our office and manufacturing facility in Varsseveld in the east of Holland. I'm just going to give you a small demonstration of why you should possibly choose the Compact lockers for your current projects. Behind me I have a block of lockers showing you all of our standard models and configurations. We have the 5TL, the 4TL, 3TL, 2TL, single door and Z locker. We manufacture all of our lockers here on site and therefore can make different configurations of the blocks. This particular model you see here also has a sloping top above the lockers. For our showroom, we've decided to show all of the lockers here with a standard key locking system. However, we can offer all different types of locking systems: electronic locks, battery locks, combination locks, coin return locks, padlocks, whatever. One of the big differences of a Compact cupboard locker to our competitors is our hinge detail. You'll notice that the Compact doors sit within the frame of the locker. That makes it very hard for thieves to break into. If the door was sitting in front of the carcass, it'd be much easier to actually prise the door open and get into the locker. The Compact hinge system is a continuous hinge, which is a pivot hinge, which fits between the top and bottom of the locker. This will maintain, its use will always be fulfilled because the hinge cannot break, the door cannot sag. It's just a very, very strong construction. As you can see, I'm pulling on this door now and there's no way that door is going to come away from the carcass. On the smaller doors, from the 2TL down to the 5TL, we have a self-closing hinge. So when I let go of the door, it automatically closes. That's unfortunately not possible on the single door or the 2TL Z locker due to the length of the door. However, the 2TL 400 Z locker, which I have here, you can see has again the continuous hinge. I have a small shelf for a bag. I have a hook inside for hanging clothes. And the bottom the same. A hook and room underneath for bags and shoes. Again, when closed, the door is inside the carcass and offers you a very nice finish. The construction of the lockers. The plinth is again 100% solid grade laminate material. It has a 13mm thick front plinth, which can be of course in any colour. It can match the doors or it can match the carcass material, or if you wish to use black, that's also a possibility. The carcass material is again 100% solid grade laminate. The side panels and shelves are 8mm thick, and the back of the locker is a 2.5mm thick HPL panel. So 100% solid grade laminate. No wood, no MDF and no cardboard. I'm just going to give you a bit of a tour around the showroom now and show you our other locking possibilities. Here you can see a stand of different types of locks. We have pin code locks, battery operated, but we can also offer complete online systems like you would see in a swimming pool or university projects. Here you can allocate a locker per student. You can give somebody a pin code to lock the door and they have that pin code for the full term. These are obviously more expensive locking systems and currently not offered for the current project we're looking at. Okay, well this is again more lockers So once again, my name's Chris Mobbs, Export Manager at Coupang. I hope you found this video interesting, and I look forward to answering any questions you may have. Thank you. Bye-bye. Right, Chris Mobbs speaking again, Export Manager at Coupang. I've just decided to come and walk into the factory just to show you the lockers actually in manufacture. What we're looking at here is our 40L locker, 300 millimeters wide, and here you can see the actual hinge in place, ready to take the door. So you can see the carcass is manufactured from the 8mm solid grade laminate. The back panels are the 2.5mm, and when an open end is in sight, a 13mm panel will be added to the block here to finish it. So I'm just going to give you a bit of a look in the manufacturing hallway. There you see more lockers there of different configurations being manufactured. These are larger 2TL lockers. These are used for storage of bags in hotels and hostels. These will actually be fitted with electronic locking systems. Okay, thank you. Okay, back again now. Just wanted to show you this quite nice block of lockers which is ready to be installed. Here we have a non-standard block of lockers. They're higher than normal. We have open units for shoes at the side, or books or helmets, and then we have a 2TL locker next to it. Here you can see we've used black solid grade laminate. The numbering on the doors has been routed out and then coloured in white to show the numbering. Good morning, Chris Mobbs, back again. We're 2 days further now than the first video. I've just come back into the production, and here you can see we've got some of the blocks of lockers further finished now, ready for export. You may remember this is the block of lockers we looked at. These are going into a hotel and hostel. These have again the self-closing door with the continuous hinge. Here you can see we've got an electronic lock actually installed in the locker. You can see here an aluminium tube which carries the wire to the rear of the locker. On the back side of the lockers you can see the wires have been pulled together. These will be connected to the control system during the installation. As I walk down the factory now, you can see we've got more lockers packed, ready for export. These lockers here are on the way to going to Scotland, to a hotel. The row of lockers behind are for a swimming pool installation. These are the 2TL lockers we looked at earlier in the week. These lockers will be fitted just with a standard key lock. And here you can see how the lockers will be exported from Holland to wherever. These locks, this is the plinth with the adjustable foot at the bottom. And then this plinth will be cladded with the colour of the same as the doors. So this will be all actually cladded with further wood to protect the lockers. So this is me signing off for this video. I hope you find it interesting, and I look forward to answering any questions you may have. Thanks very much.